Hey everyone, my name is Margaret DiMarzio and I am going to show you how to use Trello to keep yourself organized with parties. So if you run parties as your business and you run multiple parties, sometimes it can get a little chaotic. So I didn't want to forget anything, so I created a board on Trello that I am going to share with you guys that has worked for me and it has been great. So let's head on over. I'm going to share my screen. So here, when Trello comes into your life, this is what it looks like. It's boards, so it's a very visual platform. I have a lot of boards, but I like to keep things separated, but you can have everything on one board if you would like that. So it's up to you of what you decide. So here's my Facebook party board. Now my Facebook parties are over on the other side. As you can see up in here, I just put blank and blank because I have people's names on there. So, but what I do is I have this new party template, right? So I have a new party template up here. I do not touch this. This is like the template that I always add to it, because what happens is I'll run a party and I'll do something a little bit different, or I like a better process. So I'm consistently changing that template out, just like even adding just like little different things. And I'll show it to you in just a second. So this is like my Facebook parties, right? So I have parties that are in progress. Sometimes I give out a referral link. You can change all of this. Like right now, over off to the side, it's going to say January parties. And usually I'll even put like February parties, because sometimes when I reach out to people, they're not quite ready yet to have a party, right? So say Betsy says, hey, I'll do a party. I come into this board, I hit new party template. I hit copy right here. Now, Betsy said, okay, I'm going to do a party in January. So I go down to my January parties, I hit create card. So what happens is this new template comes here, right? It says new party template. So this right here, I made a copy and I moved it to January. So now what I do is I click the little pencil here. Oh, I'm not going to click the pencil, I lied. I'm going to click the board. So I'm going to change the new party template to Betsy, and Betsy's going to have our party on the 10th. So I put it there. And the reason why I put it there is, let me show you. When I click out of this, it says it right up in the top. So I know that that's Betsy's board and when the party is. So it just kind of keeps me on tasks. So if I have multiple parties, so say here comes another party, I'm going to copy it, and I can copy this all day long. Okay. Create another one. I'll show you what happens. See, new party template. So here, I'm going to click on this. My friend Jen, she said she's going to have the party on the 8th. All right. So now I have one on the 8th and one on the 10th, but I want it to be in consecutive order so I can take Jen and move her up here. Okay. So Jen's party is going to start before Betsy's. So once you click in here, I can add a description. I could say, booked from why can't I think of a name? Kristen's party. Okay, so now I know, where is this person from? Or maybe she was just from my VIP group. Maybe she was just a customer. But if she booked from somebody else's party, I want to make sure that I remember that, so that when I create her link, I am making sure that Kristen is getting credit for it. So as you can see, I have a couple of things here before the party, messages to send to the hostess during the party. I usually do my orders. I will write the person's name, what they ordered, and then I make sure that I shout that person out during the party. And then I also usually have an early bird special. So I want to make sure that I write that person's name in here, and I do like a little checklist, because I will write the person's name in there, but I won't check it off until it is then sent, because I've done numerous times where I've packaged everything together and then it sits behind that desk and I never sent it. And it's like, whoa, oh my gosh. I also send a private message to join my VIP group. So as you can see, it says, hi Liz, but I obviously change out the name, but here is, I just copy and paste it. Sometimes I'll do an additional hostess rewards depending on what's going on. Like right now, there you can get 2 extra nail sets for free. During the party, I make sure I friend request everybody. I ask the hostess to ask her friends to host a party. So these are all like my little checklist I even put parties booked. How many parties did I book from this party? And then I have after the party. So there's a lot to do during these parties, don't you think? Let me stop this just for 1 second. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm going to go back to this. I'm going to share it. So once you come in here, you can actually change anything and everything that is here. So if you click on this and you want to write something else instead of before the party, that's totally fine. You can say, you know what, I'm not doing a digital hostess rewards. I'm going to take this, I'm going to delete it, get that off my list. And you can change any of these. This is just a guideline that you guys can use to keep yourself organized. Add an item. Sometimes I'll go here and I'll say, all right, Betsy ordered whatever she ordered. I can hit add. So I'll put what she ordered, but I won't click it off until I do the shout out. You might say to yourself, you know what, I want those separate, and that's totally fine. You can do that. I'm going to click that button. I'm going to hit delete. If you want to add a checklist, you just hit click. You can add whatever you want. Say, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Let me just put follow up. Oh, I already have it, but I'm going to hit add. The follow-ups come down at the bottom. So what I can do is I just take it, I take it and I move it to wherever I want, okay? And I can just delete it if I don't want that checklist anymore. But here is a pretty good template. I've been using it for a while now, for at least a couple of months. I really enjoy it. I like it. It's keeping me organized. If you guys would like this template, I can certainly give it to you. I would have to make it as a board, and I'll just move it to a separate board and I can give it to you. Always make a copy and make it your own. All right, guys, I hope that helps.